For the past couple days I've been working on this old record player from the 1950s, a Symphonic RMA 351. I got this online at some point and opened it up, took it apart, and I have never seen an electrolytic capacitor look quite like this. I think the tubes got really hot and melted all the wax inside of this thing. Spilled out, grabbed some other wires, so I ended up having to cut the whole thing out. Everything here tested very badly, very low. They were testing at 2 and 6 microfarads as opposed to 40 and 20. I replaced them with 3 modern electrolytics, fastened them to the board with a little zip tie, put some wire covers over it just to make everything nice and tidy, and then I went about replacing the 2 other paper caps in here, all also covered in wax and replaced with modern axial capacitors, as you can see here. I always like keeping everything together, so I just stuck these in a plastic bag for now, and the old ones, and threw them in underneath the turntable. Hopefully someone will find them in the future and know what this record player looked like underneath. Someone had already replaced the stylus on this. They replaced the cartridge and stylus with an Astatic 93 TT. It looks like both sides are both for playing 78s. I don't know, that's really all I wanted this player for. And so I'm going to give Ella Fitzgerald a little bit of a spin.
It's my turn now. You pulled away your chance. You laughed at our romance, and so it's my turn now. You knew that I would always be right there. That's why you played unfair, and so it's my turn now. It's time you started paying for every lonely night, and though you keep on saying two wrongs don't make a right, still it's my turn now. And should I choose to go, my heart would whisper no, although it's my turn now. It's time you started paying for every lonely night, and though you keep on saying two wrongs don't make a right, still it's my turn now. And should I choose to go, my heart would whisper, no, no, although it's my turn now. You pulled away a chance, you laughed at our romance, but it's my turn now.
At first I thought the electrical tape on the arm was because the arm had broken off, but I now have realized that it is to hold sort of the guts of the wiring up inside. It wasn't exactly the type of job that I would do. I might tackle the tone arm next. Overall, cool little player. I'll probably keep this one around for a while.